Okay, so welcome back, students. Today we are going to cover omission, and it's a topic of English grammar, class 9th and 10th both. So last time we did editing, and this time we're going to do omission, and the both of the topics are very important, and either omission or either editing, one of them comes in the exam, in the board exam. So it comes for of 4 marks. So as you can see, this is a paragraph, it's a passage, it's given. So in this passage that is given below, we have to, there is one word has been omitted, that is one word is missing. So you have to write the missing word, and you have to write what comes before and after. See, this is the in between word, the is in between word, this is before, and this is the after. How this is going to be, let me explain. As you can see this in this paragraph, corporate initiatives in field of. So can you figure out one word is missing in this, that is the. So we have to edit the, so we will write the in between, and before the in and after the field is there. So for the rough work, you can put a slash like this. So in this way you can figure out that you have to write the in between. Education increasing, education are increasing. Okay, so you will put are here, education will be before and increasing will be after. So we can put a slash here as well. The effort is not only to understand, right? To understand, already written. The issue of education as, sorry, the issue of the local population but in use, all right, but in the use. So we will put the in between in and use. Of education as tool, as tool, as a tool. So we will put a here in between them. So there are no blanks after there, after this. So such efforts have provided the neglected section society with opportunities to grow. Sections of society, I missed this one, neglected sections of society. So as you can see, sections of society with opportunities to grow, opportunities, and between opportunities and grow there will come two. There are about 200 million children today between the ages of 6 and 14 years. Dash years don't complete the who. So we will write who don't complete the basic years elementary education, years of elementary education of. So this is how you have to complete this passage. This is how you will complete the given passage, and you will write the missing words, the in between missing words. This is about this passage, and you have to do some of the exercises you can do so that you can understand it in a better way. It's very easy, but yes, it will come with practice. Without practice you will never be able to understand them, because it's just the more you practice, the more you will learn. So I hope you have you must have understood this topic. I hope you will like my video, and thank you for watching.